Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix incoming parameters are abnormal error on OpenArt. So that message or the incoming parameters are abnormal error on OpenArt usually means the system received invalid or corrupted input like prompt, settings, or request data. So it's typically a formatting or session issue, not a permanent account problem. So actually guys, first you will need to reset your prompts. So let's say that you want to generate an image, okay? And here where you can type your prompt. So this error often happens when the prompt contains special characters like the emojis and weird symbols, and it's a very long or broken text and copied text with hidden formatting. So to fix it, you will need to delete your prompt completely and just retype it manually and don't paste it if possible. Okay, and also guys, you will need to keep it simple first, then just build the complexity. And also guys, they really advise to clear the settings and generation options. So sometimes the problem is not the prompt but the settings. So you will need to try resetting the image size, okay, from here. So for example, you can go back to the default. So here the output, the resolution or the aspect ratio, and also you will need to use a good or a low image size. Okay, so don't go with 1 gigabytes, 2 gigabytes and more. And also guys, you will need to navigate the prompt, so just clear it, and also the model selection from here, so just switch to the default model, which is the Nano Banana 2. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.